board. We're going to bake dark chocolate cake with my assistant Kaylin and Zoe Gray. Zoe Gray's favorite is chocolate cake. So we'll be using the Foster Clark's. This is ready to cook. So all we need to add is egg, oil, and water. I'm not, Foster Clark is not sponsoring us, okay? I'm just using this because this is a good brand for me. And it's easy to make with this mix of chocolate cake, okay? Let's start the process. See you later. Good. Okay.
It's right here.
Okay, wait lang. Wait lang.
Stop.
Okay, it's okay now.
Hey.
Oh, there's more. Kuya, you have to wait, Kuya. Don't mix yet.
Okay.
You have to wait until...
It's Daisy.
Okay, then
Daisy.
we need to put the 3 medium eggs.
I want the crack.
Okay, quite like this. So. 1,
1, 2,
2,
There's the egg in my hand. 3.
3, and
Vegetable oil.
you need to put
Vegetable
80 ml of vegetable oil.
There's egg in my hand. I can, Mommy.
80 ml of vegetable oil
Now to the water.
and 275 of water.
Or 1 cup of water.
So it's more than 1 cup. More than 1 cup of water.
That is not water. Yeah, okay.
Hold on so you can go slowly kasi we're
Sure, I'm wet now.
slowly.
Oopsie, no more.
Can you get more water?
The water's there.
Get more water there. I think water is not enough. Because we spill the other.
And
Okay,
I
we
am
will add-
all wet.
I will add
1 more cup.
not 1 more cup. Little of water just to make sure it's 275. Okay. Now you have
Next
to
time,
stir it properly.
I'm gonna mix.
That's not how it should be, Kuya. Yeah. Okay, mix. Until it's
There's the
mixed
chocolate
properly.
cake.
Just continue
There's the
mixing.
chocolate. Now, I see the chocolate. Squash this egg.
Can I do first and then I'll give you... You have to make
There's the
first.
chocolate egg. There's the chocolate. Mix. The egg yolk is still surviving my squash.
Can you hold the bowl, Kuya?
Sure. Also me.
Yeah, okay, hold.
It smells nice. Me too. You like it? Yeah. You put popcorn? When?
Okay. So is it mixed properly, kids?
Sure. Yes.
Can we check if it's mixed properly?
Yeah.
Okay. So this is the textured or this is the... No. So we will transfer this into our baking dish. Okay?
I want to
just-
put baking dish. This is the baking
Just to
dish.
make sure that...
This is the pan.
Yeah.
Better pan.
Okay, now
The pan.
put the pan.
Let's
Don't do that, so please. Hold this, okay? I need this. Hold on. We need to scrape this.
Off the bowl. Bowl, I mean. Not bowl, bowl.
Okay.
Not the bowl. Not the bowl. Bowl. Bowl.
Okay.
Now wait the 30 minutes. 30 minutes.
It's gonna be
Chocolate mix.
chocolate mix.
Can you taste, please? Can you taste?
Yeah. Okay. Let's go now.
Baking yummy.
Wait, no, not yet. Still have the oven is up.
Now we will wait.
30
The hot is hot.
Na yung ating butter. You can see, babaw lang siya kanina. So we have to bake this for 40 to 45 minutes. 180 degrees Celsius. Okay. So we keep on checking it. Then babalikan natin siya ulit mamaya. Okay, malalaman natin siya. Naluto na siya when you put the toothpick and then dry yung toothpick or walang sasama sa toothpick. Then it's ready to take out. And after that, gagawa tayo ng kanyang toppings. Okay? Or icing. Cake icing. Video natin. See guys, umaangat na siya. So it means it's almost cooked. Okay, later on, we will insert the toothpick in it. And if it's ready na, we will take it out from the oven. Okay?
Wait
So,
4
now,
minutes.
4 minutes? No, it's not 4 minutes. For now, gagawa ko ng frosting. Guys, I already put my cocoa powder. Next is our sugar powder. Powder sugar or icing sugar. Okay? So, we will mix together, guys. Okay, mix lang. Okay, while mixing this, I already put my dark chocolate in the microwave to melt the dark chocolate. Kasi mag-a-add tayo ng dark chocolate. So after this, we will put the butter. Okay? The butter. And then, just to melt the butter, kailangan kumukulong or boiling water. We will add boiling water. So guys, dahan-dahan ko ilagay ang boiling water just to melt the butter. Okay. So after nito, ilalagay ko yung dark chocolate and then mix ulit and then if i-refrigerate natin siya for how many minutes and then okay na yung ating frosting. Guys, nilagay ko ng aking melted dark chocolate. Nalagay natin siya sa... Okay, this is the frosting. I just take it from the fridge. Then this is ready to put in on ready to put on top of our cake. See? Okay, so we just put on top of it.
Yeah, it's so nice. Aww. You so good. It's so beauty.
So cake is ready. Let's serve it.
Yay! Baby, yay, yay, yay.
Slice one.
Slice.
And then let's serve it to the... Who wants the first slice?
Me.
Me, because it's Zoe's favorite. Okay, Susie.
The cake.
Look at the cake. See, look. Okay. Yes. Okay.
Now the
Next one is
my
Kuya.
cake.